Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to quickly and very easily change your wipers for a BMW F10 5 Series. So the model that I have on hand is the 535i. I believe it's similar for all F10 5 Series. So the issue with the wipers is that if you want to change them, you cannot just pull them out like straightforward cars. So if you want to pull it out like this, you find that it's stopping at the bonnet, so you cannot really get it up so that you can change the wiper blades. So what you need to do is to put your wiper blades in service mode, which is very easy. You just need to know how to do it. So I just got into the car's completely off now. All I need to do is turn on the accessories without pressing the brakes. You just press the start button. Yeah, so I started off the accessories. And now I turn it off again. And then pull the wipers lever all the way up for 5 seconds. So that will get your wiper blades in service mode automatically. Now you can pull them and change the wipers. So I have ordered the new one. It says here Bosch Air Twin. The size for my car is the 650/450 millimeter. That's to say 26 and 18 inches. So this should work just fine. I believe BMW also use Bosch brand made for BMW. So in order to change them, now that they are in the service mode, I can completely get it standing like this and get the other one standing as well. Yeah. And then all I need to do is to turn this one upside down. So normally it's like this, you just put it like this, and then you pull it out towards you. Just comes off the road. So now I have the new ones. This is the short one, this is the long one. So now I just need to get the new one, put this right here, very self-explanatory, and just put it back like this, and voila. This one the same, just pull it up, pull it towards you to come out. Yeah, and then get the new one. You have the hole here, just put it on the rod, and okay, and now you change them, put it back, and your job is done. So now that you change the wipers, all you need to do, turn on the car as usual, and then press the lever down one time, and that's it. You've done it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you found that video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos about how to do it yourself and save money on servicing your car, for all the car enthusiasts there. So we'll see you soon around. Bye bye.